Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. And I got some incredible announcements for you guys. We got a bunch of announcements coming up in the next 2 months or so, but we're going to start it off with this one, y'all. Listen. So, y'all know I've been rocking with LQDFX for about, maybe 5 years now. It's been so long. I can't even remember, but it's been years on years, right? I first started with Trader's Way. Trader's Way ended up spiking the market, and no other broker was spiking the market at that time. And they spiked the market. Theirs was the only charts that was doing that. So they took a lot of people's money, right? So I left them. Then I went to JAFX. And they basically just stopped messing with U.S. clients, and they had to shut down. They're no longer, in existence, I believe. So then from there, I was searching around, and I found LQDFX. I did my research, and a lot of people said that they were good, and I've been rocking with them ever since, years. Now, they didn't have crypto at the time. They were just forex. They didn't have indices. So then they launched cryptocurrency and indices. They did that probably like last year. So I'm noticing like they constantly, improving the platform. Okay, the spreads were always good. The one thing that I didn't like though was the leverage, but it's better than any US leverage like forex.com or Owanda. They like 1 to 50, 1 to 100, something super small and silly. So LQDFX, their leverage was 1 to 300. I was like, I prefer 1 to 500 or more. Even though I don't want to use all the leverage, I prefer it just to have the room. But 1 to 300, I made it work, and I've been making it work. But now, look, this is the email that I got, guys. So I just got an email from them saying new improvements coming soon. So I'm like, what can it be, right? Big announcements. Okay, they said, we couldn't wait to share some exciting news. We've been working tirelessly, all of that stuff. And so here's a sneak peek of what to expect. They said margin improvements. Get more buying power and increase your potential gains. So do you know what margin improvements mean? I'm going to put it on the screen. One of my last trades that I took, you can see the margin percent level. Okay, when you take a big lot size, it'll take away your margin percent level. And if that's too low, then, if you go into heavy drawdown, the brokers would just automatically cut your trade off while you're in a loss. You still will have money in your account, maybe like $100. Like it'll basically have to just drain your account, leave you with $100 because your margin percent level was so small. You took it away because you used the big lot size. They're going to increase that. So if you had $1,000 and you took a $10 lot size, that took all your margin because that's too big of a lot size. Well, now you can have $1,000, take a $10 lot size, and your margin will be big. Now, the only thing about that is you still shouldn't do it. Do not use up all your margin. Listen to me. Do not use up all your margin. But it's good to have that room just in case you take for swing trading, just in case you could take a bigger lot size on your swing trades. You feel me? Think about it. You know what I mean? You're a good swing trader. You get in at the right spot. Sometimes those swing trades, stop losses have to be 50 pips, but you don't want to take a 10-cent lot size. You can kind of maybe take a 20. If you got $1,000, maybe take $2 instead of $1. It just all depends, but you got that room. So then you got commission reductions. Oh my God, commissions reductions. Now the commissions is not even that bad, but when you're scalping and you start having like $200,000 in your account, $500,000, and you want to take that $50 lot size, that $300 lot size, that commission starts to get high. It really you start to feel it. But they're saying commission reductions smaller. Now, how much smaller? I don't know. But the fact that it's going lower, I'm excited about that because I'm already working with it right now. And it's pretty good right now. So micro account leverage improvements. Now, here's the thing. Micro account leverage. So people that start with less than $500, there's a lot of people overseas, people that don't have much money. they coming in and they don't have like $500, $1,000 to put in. Well, that you will have to pick a micro account. But the thing with the micro account, the spreads were bigger, the leverage was small, like it was a problem, you know what I mean? And they're fixing that for people that has $500, that has less than $500 to come in with. So that's super dope for the people of the less fortunate. And like I said, swap fee. Trading for all. Say goodbye to rollover charges. Let's go, LQDFX, man. I mean, mess with them. I mean, you don't have to use them. And I've been rocking with them for so long. You know, people are probably going to ask me, what about this broker? What about that broker? Every time I make a broker video, people ask me about all these brokers. I really don't know at this point what all these other brokers is doing, because I've been locked in with them and everything is working perfectly fine. I don't go broker hopping around. Once I find a good one and they legit, I mess with them. You know what I mean? And everything has been good with LQDFX. And on top of that, the withdrawals has been quick. I mean, I'm getting my withdrawals almost the same day. I would say the next day. It used to be like 3 days, 4 days. Then it went down to 2 days. I'm getting them the next day. Especially the more you keep doing it with the Coinbase. And they get used to your money coming through there, that junk is happening like the next day, y'all. I'm no lie. So y'all can read the rest of this on my screen that y'all see it. But then they came out with another announcement, y'all. So they said VPS hosting coming soon. LQDFX in the bag right now. VPS hosting coming soon. What does that mean? What does that mean? That means people that got robots. All right. I'm not really a robot trader, but people that has robots that's, you know, swing trading for them, they're saying, let's go. A lot of brokers don't want you to do it. They saying, bro, we understand. Like, basically, they're traders too. So, over there. So, basically, they're saying you can connect your robot to it. And what happens is, if you got your MT4, if you got your robot connected to the MT4, and it's running, and if it's on your computer might shut down, and your computer might restart overnight, and that may be the worst time ever. And then there's high impact news, and your trade is running, and the robot is not there to cut it off. So you need a VPS. That's basically going to allow the robot to run 24/7 with no interruptions. And you want a VPS that's working with your broker if possible. A lot of times we have to get VPSs that is in the same country of the broker. This is a gem for you right here. You need a VPS that works in the same country as your broker, so the execution times will be fast. Well, if we got a robot connected to the broker VPS, it don't get no faster. Enough said. So guys, I'm excited about these new changes as they keep rolling them out. I've been with them for years, so I'll probably see some stuff popping up a little quicker, and I'll keep you guys updated. All right. If you want to try this broker out, the link is in my description. The first link in the description, check them out. They super dope, y'all. It's super dope. And they always take my phone call. They always, if I got any problems with anything, any questions, how to transfer my money, they always there to help out. So, all right. Hey, this was a quick news update. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe if you want to get these updates and these tips to catch the pips. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.